good morning. We are out on our way for a little adventure day. You can see my buddy's car behind me. We're gonna be doing a little bit of a shoot, a little photo shoot for the C55 and a little kind of rolling footage montage. Special shout out to Miko. We'll plug him on IG, but super dope photographer, super young cat, is gonna be very well known, I'm sure, here as he gets more and more experience, but is already super dope and blessed us with the cam. So we're gonna jump onto freeway, get some rolling shots, and then we're gonna pull up at a spot and try to get some visuals and some stills. So I'll try to update you guys as we go. Won't be filming a ton. But we'll still get some footage kind of behind the scenes to give you guys kind of a look of how everything is going. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we just hopped off the freeway. Got some super dope rolling shots. Pumped for you guys to see what we're doing here. It's the first time I've had like anything professional-wise photography being done on this car. So cheers, Organic Rockstar, for the win. It's the only energy drink I drink. I love these things. Try not to drink them that often though. Anyways, got some good visuals. We're going towards the mountain pass right now, so let's see how that does. See what kind of spots we can find. He's filming right now as well. I'm in a dilemma, lights on or lights off. Going through some nice little twisties right now. Slow speed twisties, but still enjoyable. They're in the back. I don't know if you can see them. He's hanging out the car right now. Driving behind them was probably like, what in the hell is going on? Oh, look at this. Damn, that's super dope. It's like a Castrol decked out MR2. Look like a time attack car. All right, live on the set with my homie Vasil right now. Got Miko on the visuals. We're over at Rattlesnake, if you guys know the area. Shooting some B-roll of the car. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby at all.
Spilled Red Bull everywhere. Had a little casualty. Life of a photo shoot. The realities. And you know this AMG loves to chew through some oil, so with this hard pushes, I had to get a couple quarts. This is the reality of AMG ownership. We get two for the one time. Got him. All right, guys, getting back on the road. Had to stop for that. We had a little spill in the back of the car on the chute, so we're gonna get going now. and had to give this bad boy some oil. I put the Chevron oil in there. Shit was expensive too. It was like $8 per quart. But that's okay. She was thirsty. It was probably already down like half a quart or a quart when we left today. I kind of figured. I didn't check before we left, but so I probably lost half a quart while we were doing all the pulls. I was doing some pretty massive pulls in the video, so kind of to be expected. That's why we are switching to a heavier weight oil and a kind of more stable oil, hopefully, with the VR1. So we'll see. Car's been performing great though today. Very proud of her. And this is just fun, to be honest. You know, I wanted to do something like this. It's cool to do for the viewers. It's content for him and I. So it's just fun. Alright, we're gonna get it right now. They're on my right now. They're getting some faraway shots. Just got back. Had some great success. You guys can start getting excited now. Dude, these are so sick.
Yeah, I took so many photos, like over like 100. And a few minutes of videos in between. But I got all the blurring, the motion blur and all
That's
that.
Sick.
Yeah. Pretty decent backgrounds, and once we color grade it, it'll look really sick too. But
damn, it's only a percentage of what you guys are about to see. Shout out again, Miko. Go follow my Instagram.
thank you.
All right, guys. Well, that'll wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was a pretty special day for me. Very cool, and big shout out again to Miko with the visuals. That was a really fun experience. I've never done something like that. It was fun just driving, of course, and doing a long drive like that with the car. So yeah, I hope you guys have really enjoyed. I try to release, 3 days worth of content in the last 3 days, so you can have kind of stuff to check out. I'll probably take a little break over the holidays. Blessings to all you guys. Enjoy your holiday with your family, whatever you guys celebrate, whoever you guys get to spend time with. I hope you guys all enjoy it. Stay safe, and much blessings for you in the new year to come, to you and yours. So thank you guys all. It's been an amazing year for the channel. It's been so much fun with the car, watching everything grow, the sponsorships, everything that's starting to accumulate with the car. I'm so thankful, man. I'm beyond blessed with everything that's happened and all the people that I've been able to connect with. And you guys have heard this story, but that's just who I am. I keep those things in perspective because I know it's just something to have a lot of gratuity for, and I'm very thankful. Number one, that I have this car. Just that alone, I'm very thankful that I have this car. I love it. I love being able to work on it, and I can't overlook any of that. And all this is possible because of that in the first place, and then beyond. So just appreciate it. So anyways, Happy New Year to you guys. I will see you on the flip side, most likely. Maybe pop in here and there between, but you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Peace.